This is the best organic fertilizer mix ever. 4 best organic fertilizers are used in this mixture. Number 1. Eggshell fertilizer. Number 2. Banana peel fertilizer. Number 3. Mustard cake fertilizer. Number 4. Onion peel fertilizer. Eggshell contains a lot of magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. Eggshell organic fertilizer can be used for all kinds of plants. Eggshell organic fertilizer will make plants bloom longer. Banana peels have potassium, which is an essential nutrient. It is 100% free and very easy to create. It promotes more flowers and fruit on plants. Onion peel fertilizer is a natural and organic fertilizer made from onion peel. Onion peel fertilizer contains potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen, which are essential for plant growth. Mustard cake fertilizer contains a lot of nitrogen. Which are essential for plant growth. To prepare this mixture, first take 2 spoons of garden soil. Then take 2 spoons of these 4 types of fertilizer in equal proportion. Then cover the entire mixture with 2 spoons of soil. Then add some water to the mixture to speed up the fermentation process. Using this mixture will make your garden plants come alive, and the garden is filled with fruits and flowers.